What's up, guys? Raider FPV here. Hope you guys are doing great. Hey, I'm out here at a bigger spot now, just trying out the Transtec Beetle, and I'm gonna run a couple packs for the iFlight H3. I want to see how far this thing can go. You know, it's got these little monopole or dipole antennas instead of the full ones. This is quite a bigger area. We'll see how it does. Just gonna take it easy. Still just kind of getting used to things, flying here and there. All right, guys. Well, let's get this bad boy in the air. Oh, one thing too is I noticed the view, the FPV view is pretty dark on the DJI stuff when there's no sun out. Like we've got haze right now going on. I actually had to turn the exposure value up a notch. I'm gonna try with one notch up and see if that's good enough. But it does great when the sun's out, but when it starts getting a little dark, it looks more dark in a comparable analog setup. You know, like my analog, I don't normally fiddle faddle with the brightness and contrast too much. I might bump it up a notch or something like that. But this looked quite a bit darker, so it's a little interesting. But let's see how this goes. All right. Away we go. Yeah, it still looks, now it even kind of looks darker. That's weird. So, do I want to do this or not? So I'm at 3 bars, and I'm going to be working on a way to get the SRT stats baked into the, wow, I can't believe how great it's doing. I'm a ways out here. Uh-oh, 1 bar. Coming back. Don't crash in the water. Whew, I'm back up to 3 bars. Well, I may be a little nervous. It didn't do anything, but I'm a ways out here for these little tiny antennas. The problem I'm having is the screen is very dark. It actually looks darker now than before I adjusted the EV value, so I gotta take it easy. Oh, that kind of sucks. And when I kind of look a little bit into the sunlight, it looks a little bit better. But it is looking very dark right now. Just take it easy. Confident, like really doing any real flying. It's too dark. I'm gonna have to do some adjustments. So let's see. Well, I'm low voltage. Guys, just a short little flight. I might not even post this one. I don't like the way it looks. I can't see. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, Raider FPV here. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm just out here with the Transtec Beetle and the iFlight Titan H3, again, the little DJI quads. A couple little gripes, or a gripe with the DJI system so far, is when it's hazy out like it is right now, it does terrible in low light. Like I've had to up the EV value quite a bit. I had to take it out of auto white balance and set my own because the auto white balance setting looked like garbage. And I just took it up and just chopped up some of my battery leads too. You know, just how it goes sometimes. I wasn't paying attention. So let's get her in the air. Hopefully this pans out. Oh, and also on my last flight, it did go to one bars on the video signal out there by the water, so let me take it a little bit easy. Yeah, that looks so much darker in analog. That kind of sucks, guys. I don't like that. So on sunny days, it's great. On these darker days, it's kind of, we'll see how this goes. I don't know. It's a lot easier to fly since I adjusted the settings. It looks like, it doesn't look as good through the goggle view, but it's still what I mean by that, it looks a little more digitized, or you know what I mean, like you kind of messed with the settings. But at least I can see. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot better than what it was. Jeez. I'm just gonna cruise. I'm not sure if there's anyone out here or not. I don't think so. No, it's pretty dark right now. I'm just flying on 3S right now, so I don't know why I'm trying to do all those maneuvers when this quad is going to do it right now. I want to save the couple 4S packs I brought for the Titan. Let's cruise these treetops here. See them fluttering a little bit because I've banged up these props quite a bit. I've been flying quite a bit since I got this system. I'm loving it. Just going to cruise a little, guys. A couple of people in the distance. Who is it? Oh, it's not a couple of people. That's my fiance and my kiddos in that truck, I think. I hope so. Okay. Nothing fancy, guys.
The stick?
Please, I'm on camera. But yeah, in a minute. Alright guys, just a quick flight. I'll bring her in. Hey guys, so I'll tack this on the end of the video as a little bonus here. Here's a good little lesson that I should know by now after flying this long. When you get like a blind and fly from companies and stuff, check all the nuts and bolts. So here's the new Titan H3. I just went out for first flight of the day or whatever, and I got stuck in a tree yesterday, so I had to like turtle out quite a bit. So I should have checked the bolts after that. But lo and behold, we've got one motor bolt left. The motor looks intact. Hopefully it fires up, should be fine. Kind of messed up the air unit harness holder, but thankfully it doesn't look like it messed up the antennas. You know, I'll give it the usual look over. Looks like the motor wires might have got fried up though a little. So now I get to do a once over on a brand new quad because I'm an idiot and didn't take these bolts out and put some blue Loctite on them. You want to use blue Loctite, and I know better than that. So I'm paying for my own mistake. So this quad doesn't get to fly today, and I was going to put some run the couple 4S packs that I've charged through this, but the strap's just like a couple millimeters too short to even catch any of it. So I don't have an extra strap with me, so I'm on the way back home. The family's here anyway to pick me up. Sometimes it doesn't go so well, guys. You know, just because it's digital doesn't mean you don't have problems, as you can see. All right, guys, hope you're having a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.